As scientists developed stronger telescopes, they saw that the dark patches on the moon were definitely not water. Although oceans and continents cover the Earth, the moon's surface is a dusty land of craters. A crater is a large bowl-shaped hole or cavity on the surface of the moon or other planet. Most scientists believe objects from space crashed into the moon to make the craters we see today. Smaller craters, made by space rocks and debris, might be no bigger than your room. Others can be more than 160 kilometers, or 100 miles wide, made by large asteroids colliding with the moon. Scientists study the marks left on the moon's surface to investigate its history, using clues to determine which craters were made first. Ejecta lines provide our first important clue. Ejecta refers to the material that is blasted out of a crater during its formation. The most recent craters are still surrounded by bright, lightly colored lines running away from the center of the crater. The ejecta from older craters get covered by dust and disrupted by new craters being formed. We can also study the moon's history by looking at the craters' positions. Sometimes scientists find small craters within larger ones. When this happens, we know the larger crater is older. A small space object can hit the inside of a large crater and leave its mark within the older crater. But when a large object hits the moon's surface, it generally erases the old small marks with its new huge hole. As we observe the moon from Earth, the near side of the moon always faces Earth, and we never see the far side. When scientists first sent a spacecraft to the moon, they shared the first photos of the far side of the moon. As you can see in the picture, the far side has even more deep visible craters and not as many dark areas as the near side. By understanding craters, we begin to piece together the mystery of the history of our moon.